Hey, AP Statsers, Mrs. Landon here. Welcome to week 3 of online AP Stats. I want to do a quick overview of how you're going to start seeing chapter 1 wrapping up and other deadlines you will encounter. Um, Most of you are hopefully on pace with getting your work done. If you are not, we have our first mid-chapter deadline. It is this coming Wednesday at 8:20. So September 23rd at 8:20. Any work not completed from the mid-chapter free response all the way to the first day of school. So really these first 2 weeks of work, if they're not done, you will get a 0 in Skyward and you cannot make up those points. You're still going to have to do the learning so you can get ready for the test. So you might as well get the work done now and get the points for it. This week, then, what we have scheduled is we're going to wrap up our learning with the rest of section 1.3. On Thursday, you're going to go through a series of critiquing various free responses, trying your own, and giving that a critique also. Friday, I have a review worksheet for you to do. It is embedded in your note packet. You can go online and actually type in your answers to the multiple choice, and it will score those for you so you can see if you got them right or not. And then there's some answers for the free response also. I do have a video where I walk through the entire review worksheet, and you can kind of fast forward to various problems you want to listen to or listen to the whole thing. I do encourage you to try this review on your own first before kind of going through the answers. That's the best way to prep. Then the next week, we're going to wrap up chapter 1. You do have your first summative test. It is in 2 parts and it will be taken online. You're going to have a blue puzzle piece of 10 multiple choice questions, and then an assignment piece where you're going to upload photos for 2 free response questions. When you take that test, this is the due date, right, is the Wednesday. The deadline for that test, though, is Friday, October 2nd at 3 p.m. The test must be taken by then. If it's not, you get a 0. You can't take it. You can't retake it. None of that. Also, when we hit the deadline of 3 p.m. on the October 2nd, all of the remaining formative work is also due. If it's not in, you get a 0 and cannot make it up. Now, when you're ready to take that test, you need to let me know so I can release it and have it open for you. So go to the testing date and reservation form. On here, it's going to ask you which test are you taking, and then tell me the day and the time or the hour that you plan to take the test so I can unlock it for you. These are time tests. You have about 45 minutes for each, the multiple choice and then the free response. The multiple choice will shut down after that allotted time. That's really it for the plan for the next 2 weeks and for wrapping up chapter 1. 2 things I do need to address, though. In the course introduction, I had asked you to make sure that you went into the AP classroom and you joined the AP Stats class. This was the join code. The due date for this is we were looking for this past Friday. If you haven't done that yet, you need to do that now and get registered into the AP classroom for this test. Now, once you've done that, we have one more deadline to meet for the AP board. That is October 16th. On October 16th, you need to have all of your exams that you plan on taking paid for. If you're taking 3 different exams and different subjects, you can pay for them all at one time. You can just go to Skyward and go through that payment system. So please remember to, again, by October 16th, pay for your exam if you plan on taking your AP exams in the spring. Other than that, that is about all I have. If you have questions for me, again, continue to email me. You all have been doing a great job with that. Feel free to swing in my classroom. I'm in C205 if you have questions, or sign up for Win Time. This Win on Thursday, I will not be in the building Thursday afternoon. So if you were planning on coming into Win, I won't be there. Wednesday's Win Time, I will be there. So if you need help then, why don't you use that time? Or again, shoot me an email. So have a great week. It's about all I have, and we will talk to you soon.